This is our new doorbell button. It's a 2" by 4" steel plate and comes with a little bit larger of a button and a white ring light that has the lettering on it for push. So to assemble it, all I gotta do is take off the lock nut that's on there. I'm gonna leave these pins in, little pieces of wire that we put in. Put it in the hole and then re-thread the collar. Usually hand tight's good, but if you want to use a tool to tighten that lock nut on there once you've aligned your lettering. And then using just the standard Phillips screws, that's what it'd look like. We also have some tamper resistant screws available. And then once it's wired in, so on this new ring illuminated push button that actually says push on it and has the white ring light and the white LED, it's a little bit bigger of a button than our other push buttons, so it's easier for a finger to push. On the back side it has 6 terminals, where normally most of our buttons just have 2. For a doorbell system you don't need the other 2 terminals on there, they'd be for a different type of switch. So on any of these we have removed these 2 screws, and we still supply them. They're in the bag in case you need to replace either of these if they get lost, or if you did need it for a different type of switch. But all that needs to be done when you receive it is you just need to connect one wire to one side and your other wire to the other. So just replace any normal doorbell. We have already added in this little loop right here, which connects these 2 together, and then this little loop over here is connecting these 2. So without that little piece of wire there, the button itself will not function, so you need to make sure those stay there. But you don't need to ever probably loosen these end screws. All you need to do is loosen these middle ones and then connect to your existing wires or hook up to your doorbell system.